Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So for today's video, I was in Primark and I went to look at the eyeshadow palettes and I saw this one and it reminded me of Valentine's Day and I really wanted to film a Valentine's Day eyeshadow look. So I was thinking affordable. This palette is £4, so if you're interested in how I got this eye look, please keep on watching. This is the palette in question today, but I saw this one and thought it'd be really good for Valentine's Day. How nice are those colours? And this palette was £4. I haven't swatched any of the colours yet, haven't played with it at all. I wanted to get my full opinions on camera and see what we think. I'm going to zoom you in a bit and let's have a look at the palette. This is the palette in question, the berry palette. On the back here, as you'll see, you've actually got all your eyeshadow names, which I think is really nice that they've actually put them on there. Marshmallow, Dusted, Tulip, Orchid, Innocence, Parisian Rose, that's how you say it, isn't it? Parisian Rose, Mulberry, Tranquil, Amethyst and Salem. I think Salem. I think this is really nice for Valentine's Day. Doesn't come with a mirror, but it's only £4, so what can you expect? And these are the colours inside. What I'm going to do is swatch them all for you and show you in a cutaway and what they look like. I really think we might be able to create a really nice look with this palette. So let's get into creating a Valentine's look. The first colour that I'm going to go in with is Parisian Rose. And I'm going to just take that on a fluffy brush. Wow, that is really quite pigmented. I don't know if it's showing up completely on camera. So I haven't dipped any more into that, I'm just trying to lightly blend that one out. So what I like to do is drag mine like out, like that. And then in towards the inner corner there. So the colour I've been saying is Parisian Rose. I got completely wrong and it's actually called Innocence. But now I'm actually going to go in with Mulberry just on the outer corners. For the price, they are very pigmented. You know what, I feel like it looks better in person than on the camera right now. Like that on camera doesn't look that great, but in person it looks quite cute. Like this colour's pulling up quite red on the camera, where in real life it looks quite pink. I'm then going to take one of the darker colours in Amethyst and I'm going to smudge this along my lash line. This is like a shimmery shade, so I don't know how well this is going to go. I'm going to go for the darkest colour now, called Salem, and see if we can do anything with this, which is the darkest colour, and literally just working that on the outer corners. For the price, I don't think this palette is bad at all. It has actually really surprised me. The shadows are hard to blend. They don't blend as well as I would like. Okay, so I want to add like some of the glitter here, add some more white and then potentially some pink under the eye. Ooh, I've had a bit of fallout. But what I'm going to do is take a little flat shader brush with some Fix Plus and I'm going to go into the shade Orchid. I think that one looks so nice. It's like a really shimmery colour. Pick some up on my brush and pack it on the lid. Oh, this is giving me a bit of fallout under the eye. But this has a real like wet glossy look to it. Eyeshadow looks a lot more expensive than what it is. Like I love a shimmer shadow that has a wet look to it. I'm going to use one of the highlight shades now and see how that goes. The lightest one is called Marshmallow. I just don't know if you can see this. It could be because I'm using a dual fibre brush as well. This is my eyeshadow. Can you just see it flaking and falling out? Oh. So what I'm going to do with this now is just highlight here. Oh, it is a pretty colour though. So I'm going to take the Innocence colour on the first brush, just easy for me, and just run that underneath the eyes. This is the eye look that I've got so far. It hasn't really gone great on the corner bit here. But for the price, I am very satisfied. I'm going to put some mascara on and a little bit of a dark purple liner from Urban Decay in my waterline, and I'll be right back. This is it guys, this is the final look. Got my mascara on, my lippy, and you know what? I am pleasantly surprised with this palette. I honestly thought this was going to be sort of a bit of a fail video, but this has worked out a lot better than I thought, and I would definitely use this palette again. Like, it's not one I'm going to reach for every day. There isn't that many matte shades in it to sort of completely do a whole look. Like, it was a bit hard, but I think definitely for Valentine's Day, if you're looking for that sort of pink, girly kind of look, this is perfect. Like, as soon as I opened it, I thought of Valentine's Day. The eyeshadows are powdery, so that's one thing to look out for. I've had a bit of a disaster with this white one over here. I think the colour selection is really good. There you have got your darker colours, so if you wanted to go even more darker than what I've done, you definitely could for sure. Let me know if you guys have tried this palette before, or whether you're going to, whether you've tried any of the others, let me know. I'm thinking maybe I should test some more Primark makeup. I haven't really tried any before. I was going in to look at the eyeshadow palettes and there was loads there, so if there's anything you think, wow, I'd really like to know what that's like, leave it in the comments below. I'll definitely make it for you if you'd like to see it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!